Good everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from parabolas of 11th class. The question is, if the locus of the midpoints of the portion of the normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax intercepted between the curve and the axis. Say for example, if you see the simple diagram here, the curve will be like this parabola, right? So it is fully on the x-axis. So the normal also will be on the x-axis. Okay. So let us come to the problem. Solution. Okay. So given what? Given equation of parabola y square equals to 4ax, which have parametric form as at square comma 2at, right? Okay, at square comma 2at. So the general equation form of normal is y equals to mx minus 2am minus am cube, right? But m is equals to minus t, which is slope, right? So substitute that in this equation. Y equals to m of minus t minus 2am minus am, sorry, substitute minus t, no, y equals to x into minus t minus 2a into minus t minus a into minus t whole cube. What you will get here? Y equals to, this becomes minus xt, this becomes minus into minus plus 2at, this is minus t cube you will get. So minus and minus plus at cube, right? So if we observe the parabola, the normal is on only on the means touches or intersects only the x-axis. It's not even touching the y-axis. So what will be the value for y? 0. The above normal equation only passes through x-axis and not touch the y-axis, and so y equals to 0. Substitute y equal to 0 in the above equation. Understanding equation. So 0 equals to, and okay, 0 equals to minus xt plus 2at plus at cube, which implies bring xt to the other side, it becomes positive. So xt equals to 2at plus at cube. We want the value for x. So left the x here and bring t to the other side. 2at plus at cube by t. X equals to 2at by t plus at cube by t. T cancel, t in t cube t square times cancel. Therefore x equals to what you will get? 2a plus at square. Therefore here if you take this as the normal, here this is the normal, okay? We know the point P here. What is that? At square comma 2at. It is the actual point form of the parabola. And now we found this point Q, right? So q what ma? 2a plus at square comma 0. Now consider 2 points, that is p at square comma 2at and q 2a plus at square comma 0. Let us find the let us find what they asked in the question. They asked to find the midpoint, right? So let us find the midpoint of PQ. What is the formula? Midpoint formula equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, right? So let the midpoint be a comma b, right? Now what is p point p here? P 80 square comma 280 and g is 2a plus 80 square comma 0, right? Now midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 if you take. So the midpoint of PQ is equals to x1 80 square x2 plus 2a plus 80 square by 2 comma 280 plus 0 by 2, right? But we took this as a and this as b, so let us equate them both. Okay, here also we are having a, no, let us take here x and y are p and q. Okay, so here this will be p and this will be q. So p equals to 80 square means 280 square, 80 square, 80 square, 280 square into 280, sorry, 2a by 2. So 80 square plus a, wait, 2a plus 80 square plus 80 square by 2 equals to p. So 2a plus 80 square plus 80 square equals to 2p. Okay, next coming to this 280 plus 0 by 2 equals to q. Okay, so 280 equals to 2q. Okay, so this two get cancelled, right? Which implies this, what you will get, 2a plus 280 square equals to 2p, which implies a plus 80 square equals to p, right? And this becomes what, 80 equals to q, t equals to q by a, right? So here what you will get, 80 square equals to p minus a, but here we got the value for t, right? So a into q by a whole square equals to p minus a, which implies a into q square by a square equals to p minus a in a square one time. So q square by a equals to p minus a. Therefore q square equals to a into p minus a. This is the required locus of the midpoints of that particular normal. Understood? Locus of PQ. Understood? If you have any doubt, specify that in the comment section.